In this question, we're hearing that angle POQ and ROT are both 30. So that would be this angle right here is 30, and this one here is also 30. Now, what we're dealing with is sort of like a linear pair. If you have two angles in this arrangement, then most people know that those two angles add to 180. But if that straight line were divided not into two angles, but into three angles, it makes no difference. Those three angles also have to equal 180. So in our situation, we have like a 30 right here and a 30 right here. So what does this third angle have to be to make the whole thing equal 180? And the answer is 120. So this can be 120 right here. And the question is asking us, what's the measure of QOR in radians? So QOR, as we're seeing, is 120 degrees. And we need to convert that to radians. First of all, any number is itself over 1. And the conversion between degrees and radians is the idea that pi radians is the same as 180 degrees. So we can take this and we can multiply it by pi radians over 180 degrees. By the way, let's put a little line here to separate this out. But by the way, this here is equal to the number 1 because pi radians and 180 degrees are the same thing. And so when you have a fraction that has equal quantities on the top and the bottom, it's equal to just the number 1. So all we're doing is taking the 120 degrees, multiplying it by 1, so nothing's really happening. Degrees cancels with degrees. And 120 over 180 would simplify to 2 over 3. There's also a pi there, and that's how many radians we have. 2/3 pi, and the answer is C.